Welcome to the show. We're celebrating Black History Month with a dish of gumbo.
We'll also be making a vegetarian version as well.
That's right, Bree. Can you tell me something that other people don't know about gumbo?
Just that it tastes good, some people without rice.
That is true. But also, this dish blends a few different cultures like West Africa, France, and Caribbean cuisines. Today, we'll be doing it Ferris's version, so let's get started. Step 1, prepare rice according to package directions and keep it warm. Step 2, meanwhile, heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Stir in flour and cook, stirring consistently until it turns golden brown for about 5 minutes. Step 3, add celery, green peppers, onions, and garlic. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it's tender. Step 4, stir in the tomatoes, sausage, broth, okra, Cajun seasoning, and thyme. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 5, add shrimp and cook for 5 minutes or until the shrimp is pink. Season with salt and pepper. Serve gumbo over rice. Now your roux is the key for a great gumbo. Make sure you are stirring consistently to get that nice golden brown roux. It's very important. If you want to do a veggie option, you need to add okra, tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, celery, jalapenos, mushroom seasoning, and a little Cajun, and you'll have a great veggie gumbo. So think about this, the longer you keep gumbo sitting, the better it becomes. Your flavor gets popping when you do that. So just walk away for a half a day and it'll taste better. Just let it sit. Just try your best, but always, this is my take on veggie and traditional gumbo. I hope you can share this with people close to you. It doesn't matter if it's for the kitchen or for the culture, I got you covered.